Once upon a time, in the bustling heart of a vibrant city, there lived a man named John. John had spent his life climbing the corporate ladder, dedicating countless hours to his career. As he approached his 60s, the thought of retirement began to weave its way into his daily musings. He dreamed of days filled with leisure, travel, and time spent with loved ones. But the path to this dream was shrouded in uncertainty. How could he ensure that his golden years would be as comfortable and fulfilling as he imagined? Who can help you achieve retirement with comfort? The journey to a comfortable retirement is seldom a solo endeavor. It often involves a symphony of expert financial advisors, estate planners, and, importantly, the support of family and friends. According to a survey, 55% of Americans feel they're behind on retirement savings. Seeking professional advice can help navigate the complex waters of retirement planning, ensuring that every dollar saved is a step closer to your dream retirement. Where can you find comfort in retirement? Comfort in retirement is not just about financial stability, but also about the community, environment, and lifestyle. John discovered that many retirees find solace in communities that cater to their interests and needs. With 59% of workers planning to work post-retirement, finding a balance between leisure and engagement is key. Whether it's a quiet suburb or a lively city, the right location can greatly enhance the retirement experience. What are the keys to achieving retirement with comfort? The keys to a comfortable retirement lie in early planning, diversified investments, and a clear understanding of one's goals. The average retirement account balance for an IRA stood at $135,600 in 2021. However, experts suggest that retirees will need at least 70–80% of their pre-retirement income to maintain their standard of living. This highlights the importance of starting early and investing wisely. When is the best time to reach retirement with comfort? Timing is everything. The best time to retire comfortably is when you have achieved your financial targets and are mentally prepared for the transition. The average retirement age in the US is 64 for men and 62 for women. However, personal circumstances vary, and so does the ideal retirement age. It's a decision that should be made with careful consideration of one's health, financial readiness, and personal aspirations. What are the benefits of achieving retirement with comfort? The benefits of a comfortable retirement are manifold. It's not just about financial security, but also about the freedom to pursue passions, explore new hobbies, and cherish moments with family and friends. A comfortable retirement allows for a focus on health and wellness, which is crucial, considering a 65-year-old may spend an average of $157,500 on healthcare. John's story is a tale of foresight and planning. By asking the right questions and seeking the right help, he was able to turn his dream of a comfortable retirement into a reality. And so can you. With the right approach, retirement can be a time of joy, peace, and comfort, a well-deserved reward for a lifetime of hard work. For a deeper dive into the intricacies of retirement planning and to explore more statistics and tips, consider consulting the wealth of information available online, including comprehensive guides and expert advice. Remember, the journey to retirement is unique for everyone, but the destination of comfort is a universal aspiration.